How's it going, everybody? Raph here from B&C Camera, and in today's unboxing we've got the brand new Tamron 17-70mm f2.8 lens. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what the hype is all about. Now, this lens right here is pretty crazy because, you know, Fujifilm is pretty proprietary. There isn't really a whole lot of third-party lenses, so for Tamron to make this lens is a pretty big deal. There isn't really a whole lot besides the 18-300 that they produce as well too. And the thing about the 18-300 is that it's a variable f-stop. This guy right here is an f2.8, 17-70 all the way through. Now, doing the math, I believe that's about 24.5, 24.4 to 105 equivalent. So you've got, it's basically your 24-70 f2.8 with a little bit more range, which is really cool. So, I'm gonna put this right down here, put all this stuff right here. Of course, you've got your standard stickers and warranties and stuff like that. And yeah, it's a beautiful lens. So for those of you guys who want to pack light and travel light, this is, of course, a great lens system. Tamron is well known for their light and durability and weather resistance as well too. At 17-70, you're gonna have a lot of range with this lens. And at a constant f2.8, you're gonna be able to shoot pretty decent low light as well too. And if you pair that with the brand new H2S from Fujifilm, it's a 1-2 punch. It's really a no-brainer. So, the expected retail price for this lens is going to be $799, and it will be releasing July 8th, 2022. So definitely get your hands on these when you can. Thanks for tuning in for this unboxing. This is Raph from B&C Camera, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.